Right. Hello and welcome to Gotta Eat. Today we're making breakfast, because why? Because breakfast is the most important meal of the day! We are making maple bacon French toast roll-ups. What you're gonna need is 8 slices of white bread or brown bread. You're gonna need some butter, mozzarella cheese, eggs, bacon, milk, some salt, cinnamon, and maple syrup. Right, let's get into it. So what you wanna do is you wanna start off with your bread. You wanna cut first of all, what you wanna do is you wanna cut what are they called, crusts? Right, first, what you wanna, right, I say right a lot. Okay, right, so the first thing that you need to do is you need to cut the crusts off all of your slices of bread. Quick tip, if you want to keep your bread crusts, you can make a bread pudding. Okay, so once you've got all the crusts off of your bread, just set it to one side, and you want to make the batter that we're going to fry it in. So you're going to take your 3 eggs, right? You put them in. My goodness, I need less force on that. Crack an egg like a real man. Right, once you've got your 3 eggs in, you want to add your milk, your salt, your cinnamon, and your maple syrup. Exactly. All right, once those are all together, you want to whisk it. If you don't have a whisk, don't worry. Real men whisk with a fork. I'm gonna add them all together. Whisk it good. Whisk it real good. Oh, whisk it real good. Oh, push it. All right, so before we get onto the rolling part, we need to fry our bacon. So turn your hot plate on. Boom, boom, boom. Cut your bacon in half. Oh yeah, can you hear it sizzling? Sizzle, sizzle. Try and make sure that they kind of hold their form, that they don't crumple up, because you still want to roll them into your French toast. Honestly, there's nothing like the smell of bacon in the morning. I remember when I was a kid, I was having bacon rolls at like school days and all of that, and it just reminds me of the good times, you know? Bacon just reminds you of that. It's like, mom's making breakfast. Dad's making breakfast. How's it? I like it just a little bit under, because also don't forget that we're still gonna roll them and we're gonna cook them again. Great, while that cools off, let's prepare our bread. Take your rolling pin, and you want to flatten your bread out, right? Because we're making French toast rollies. We can't have the bread too thick. All right, you guys ready to roll? Let's roll it. Take a slice of your mozzarella. You grab some of your bacon, right? It's going to be very, very hot, so please be careful. At the bottom of your bread, just like that. What you want to do is you want to make a little roll like that. It's like a Swiss roll, but for breakfast. Okay, once you've rolled it tight, you just want to pinch the sides just to make sure that all that goodness kind of stays in. So you got this little roll. Okay, cool. All right, so you want to dunk a couple of these, ready to go. You can leave them in for a little bit. So you want them really well soaked through. Once those are doing those, it's looking good, looking good. You want to turn on your hot plates again. Okay. Once you're ready to go, just make sure that you've got enough butter in the pan so that nothing sticks to anything. You want to take your French toast rollies out, and then straight out of the batter, you want to get it onto the pan. Okay, these you want them to cook through, but you don't want them to cook too long, because remember, you got some cheese in there. It's gonna get sticky, it's gonna get good. Make sure that you got enough of your butter going around. You want to cook this for like 5-6 minutes, all the way around until it's nicely and golden brown. Great, okay, so once it's cooked for 5 to 6 minutes, you want to take them off, and you want to get them off the plate, hot and ready to serve. Oh my goodness. How good does that look? French toast excellence! All right. Breakfast is best served hot. When you're serving it, give it a little dollop of your maple syrup, ready to go, and your kids will love it, your family will love it. Definitely something for a Sunday treat. So good. All right, let's give it a go. cheesy goodness. Cheesy maple syrup goodness. Bacon, cheesy maple. Honestly, this is how you treat yourself to start any day right. A little bit of cheese, a little bit of bacon, a little bit of French toast. Man, this is the good. It's very good. Anyways, thank you so much for joining us today on this breakfast edition of Gotta Eat, because everyone's gotta eat. Pew, pew, pew.